Procrastination often shows up right before starting, not in the middle, not at the end, right at the very beginning. And that detail matters. This happens because your mind sees the task as unclear or too big. When that happens, your body pauses to protect you, not to sabotage you, not to be lazy, just to stay safe. The simple idea in this class is this: starting becomes easier when the first move feels safe. That's the heart of everything we're doing here. We will work with one calm idea made of 3 clear parts. Each part does one small job. First, we name what feels hardest to start, because when something stays unnamed, it stays heavy. Second, we shrink the beginning until it feels almost too easy. Small beginnings reduce resistance in a very real way. Third, we decide what counts as a win before we begin. This removes pressure and fear of failure. For example, if you tell to yourself, "I need to finish this," your body may freeze. But if you say, "I only need to open file for 2 minutes," movement becomes possible. That difference may sound small, but your nervous system feels it immediately. So here's the flow we'll follow together. First, we will write what feels hardest to start. Next, we'll choose tiny starting move. Finally, we'll define what success looks like today. This works because it lowers emotional weight before action happens. We're not fixing motivation, we're changing the entry point. You don't need discipline, you don't need willpower, you need a starting point that feels kind. If this idea helped you understand why starting feels hard, the full step-by-step versions continues right from here in my Skillshare class, where I explain everything slowly and with real examples. You can take the full class free for a month using my link below. And you also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month. Before you go, let me know in the comments what feels hardest for you to start right now. Your comments help more beginners find this video. And I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next gentle lesson.